Hello students, I hope you all are well and doing good. So today I'm your English teacher is here with a new grammar topic. The name of the topic is degree of comparison. Students, in my last video I taught you about what is adjectives and what are the types of adjectives. But in this video, I'm going to tell you that adjectives can be used to compare nouns or pronouns. And when we compare noun or pronoun, it is called degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. First is positive degree. Second is comparative degree. Third is superlative degree. Positive comparison. Positive comparison is used for when we only describe one person or thing and when there is only one subject in the sentence. And when there is no comparison, it will be positive comparison. For example, the house is big. Here you can see that we are talking about only one thing, and I told you when there is no comparison and we talk about only one thing, it will be your positive comparison. And here you can see that only one thing is here and no comparison is there, so it is your positive comparison. Second degree is comparative degree. This degree is used when we compare two people or things to each other. When we compare two people or things, it will be your comparative degree. For example, first example is the house is big but my house is bigger. So students, here you can see that the two houses are there and we are comparing from one house to second house. Okay, so comparison is there. So that's why it is comparative degree. Second example is the boy is fast on his bicycle. It means one boy is fast but I am faster. Okay, so here is also comparison, so that's why it is your comparative degree. We can convert any positive degree into comparative degree by adding er to the adjectives. For example, fast, faster. Fast is a positive degree, faster is a comparative degree. Slow is a positive degree and slower is a comparative degree. Big is a positive degree and bigger is a comparative degree. Small is a positive degree, smaller is a comparative degree. Tall is a positive degree and taller is a comparative degree. When the positive degree is ending in full or E, we always use more. For examples, painful. It is ending with full, so it means you have to use more just before the positive degree to make it comparative. Hopeful. It is ending with full, so it means you have to add more with positive degree and it will be your comparative degree. Next is exception to the rule. Good, better. So good is a positive degree and better is a comparative degree. Bad is positive degree and worse is a comparative degree. Many, much is positive degree and more is comparative degree. So these are exceptional cases in degree of comparison, and you have to learn them. Now we are going to learn about superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when comparing more than two people or things. As I told you that when we want to compare two people or thing, it will be your comparative degree. But when we want to compare more than two people or thing, it will be your superlative degree. For example, she was the smartest girl in the class. Here we are comparing her with the complete class. So that's why it will be your superlative degree. Students, if we want to convert any positive or comparative degree into superlative degree, there are few rules. First rule is, by adding est to the positive degree, we can make any positive degree superlative degree. And second rule is, adjectives ending in full or e, we use most to the positive degree, and it will be your superlative degree. For example, painful, it is ending with full, so we will add most and it will be your superlative degree. Hopeful, it is ending with full, and if we want to make it superlative, we have to use most and it will be your superlative degree. So here you can see that if the positive degree is ending with full or e, we just have to add more or most and it will be your comparative or superlative degree. For example, you can see here beautiful, full, it is ending with full, then we will add here more or most and it will be your comparative or superlative degree. Flexible, more flexible, most flexible, because it is ending with e. Okay students, next, third rule is, there are few exceptional cases to the rule. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Few, less, least. So there are few exceptions to the rule which you have to learn.